Good evening, everyone. This is Wilhelmina again. The time here in Brisbane, Australia is 9:20 in the evening. We are now on February 20, 2025. I just finished having a conference, a really good buyer from Turkey, and he knows the business and he's been searching for a real supplier, which he found. He found us, and he did meet the criteria. He knows the industry, he knows the business, but he needs more supply. So while having a conference with him together with his his contact, it seems that he met the criteria. Gold is not really CIF, cost, insurance, and freight. This is money. Gold is king. Now the price of gold today is 2,950.30 per ounce, almost 3,000. In dollars term, 94,854.28. This is refined gold called gold bullion. Now, why Central Bank of London is on panic? Why India Central Bank, Korean Central Bank, Taiwan Central Bank, and China Central Bank needs more gold? I watched the video on YouTube concerning about Central Bank of London. They are on panic because the New York Central Bank, they needs gold and they cannot cater because it's short supply. What they do, they are buying raw materials, which is Doribar. So raw materials can refine into different uses. Now, if you buy a raw materials, less 8% tax included. Now, when you buy gold bullion with hallmark at the Central Bank of London or Central Bank of New York or to the refinery, the price is 94,863.28. So the price, it fluctuates. So you are not buying refined here. You are buying unrefined, which the miner produce gold. Now you're gonna ask, well, Amina, where is the gold coming from? It depends on you gonna meet the criteria. Because you are talking to Wilhelmina. Wilhelmina is the gatekeeper and she is an extension of the seller. At the same time, I am your business facilitator. I have to be clear with you, Mr. Buyer, if you're watching this video. Everything now is on digital information. I think I mentioned that on my previous video, that I used to be on real estate here in Brisbane. I'm already retired from real estate. I focus on gold and diamond produced in Africa. The company in Africa hired me to handle sales and marketing. So what I've done, I promote Africa. I was the one who introduced this. You would not find any person show his face or her face. Now, you're gonna ask me, well, Amina, I've been searching gold for 6 months or 1 year. I couldn't find, and I'm not feel comfortable with the seller who offer undervalued, which is very cheap. Gold is not cheap, really. Many years ago, I think 4 years ago, on my video, I mentioned that there is a tendency that the gold will turn to 3,000 2025 because I'm a wide reader. I watch the videos on Kitco and gold around the world. So I compile and share it to you that gold is king. Used to be the dollar is king. Now the dollar has no value today. So the dollar is shrinking. So everybody buy gold. So they call gold is king. He who has the gold makes the rules. If you don't follow the rules, you wouldn't get the gold what you are looking for. Who makes the rules? The country that own the gold. You're gonna say, well, Amina, I wanna buy gold in Mali to refine. Yeah, you can. We have tons of gold in Mali. You can refine gold in KMR. My seller dealing KMR. And you can also refine gold at the Central Bank of Conakry. Okay? But that is not my job. My job, we have the gold. It's up for you to refine. It's better to bring it to your destination. That you feel comfortable, you can bring it to Dubai to refine it. You can bring it to Korea to refine it. You can bring it to Malaysia to refine it. You can bring it to Hong Kong to refine it. Or you can bring it to Australia to refine it. That is your business. Our business, we have the raw materials, which is Duri bar, gold bar. You pay, you place your order based on the contract. Now, Mr. Buyer, I know you've been following my YouTube channel and you haven't made the decision yet. Okay? This is the summary that I'm going to advise you. Today, the world is on panic. They are searching for gold and everybody come to Wilhelmina. Why? When they search on YouTube, they found my video. Now, Mr. Buyer, if you found this video, listen from the beginning to the end. Subscribe and click below so that you will be updated. When you read the full corporate offer on this video, take time to read. Take time. Because the full corporate offer is very extensive. The requirement that you comply, you need to send us your business registration, a copy, your importation license, your passport copy, and the proof of fund. After you comprehend this procedure on this video. So when you come for conference, live video call, I will interview you. And how did you get my number? You're gonna say, oh, well, Amina, I found you on YouTube, okay? Did you really watch the video? Did you read the full corporate offer during our interview? Because I'm going to interview you in order to speed up your needs. So during the interview, you're gonna say, yes, well, Amina, I'm a little bit confused. I said, why are you gonna be confused? I expanded. I put what necessary requirement you are going to comply. A copy of your business registration, you have to send it. Importation license, passport copy, and the proof of fund bank statement in order for us to believe that you're a buyer. So your letter of interest called LOI will signify that you are a buyer. So when you send your credential to Wilhelmina, I'm going to get your address, telephone number, email address, and you need to tell me, Wilhelmina, I need to purchase 100 kilos, 500 kilos. Yes, we can do that. Now, regardless of the price, our selling price less 8%, tax included. That is normal, Mr. Buyer. When you buy anything, you have to pay government sales tax. Now, I'm going to give you a very good incentives. When you come for conference, I will surprise you to give you very good incentives in order for you to convince me that you are really a buyer. We don't deal CIF, cost, insurance, and freight. We don't. That is normal. You have to pay the gold plus government sales tax plus shipping cost and insurance. You need to insure that. But come on conference, I will surprise you, and I might giving you an incentives, because the seller give me the authority to give you a leeway, provided you show me your credential. The proof of fund is very important, that you have $1 million available in your bank account. Now, Mr. Buyer, today the government in Africa is very strict. They wouldn't give the gold to you unless fully documented, like asset report, certificate of clearance, ownership, that the gold is free of illegal activities, custom clearance, shipping cost, shipping documentation, etc. It's already on this video. So I put everything what necessary you are going to comply, and what requirement or necessary document that the seller will provide you. We will release seller company profile, mining license, export license, when you convince Wilhelmina. And you have to state how many quantity you need, because we will confirm your order. Then we'll send you the contract with your vital information, your banking details, your email, your address, your destination. So I'm gonna gather all your vital information so that I could advise the head office, let us proceed. So you will receive the contract with the seller's vital information, export license, mining license, that the seller pay the government taxes, he remit the taxes. Every year, the seller pay the government taxes and royalty. So that is not your business. Okay? What you have to do, you pay the gold, you will get all export necessary requirement that you are going to take the gold to your destination. Now you're gonna say, well, Mina, I want to buy gold in Conakry, Guinea. That's fine. In Conakry, Guinea, the rules and regulations of the government has changed, because there's a lot of corruption. Either the government employee or the seller or the buyer, they are smuggling the gold. They call gold laundering. So the government in Conakry, Guinea, the new government, is very strict. You cannot take the gold out of the country without full payment. Now, how you gonna do to secure gold in Conakry? For example, you want 500 kilos. The 500 kilos will reserve for your arrival. Reserve in the office. Okay? So while waiting for the contract, because you need to review the contract in order to look at the terms and conditions. This is FOB, huh? So on that contract, there is a little bit of provision. We can renegotiate the price a little bit. But the seller is very rare to give away his gold. So before you're going to receive the contract, you talk to Wilhelmina so that I could renegotiate the price on your behalf. Now, Mr. Buyer, I am not an agency. I am also your business facilitator. At the same time, I'm the seller, marketing consultant, and mandate. For short, I am a gatekeeper. I have the power to say yes or no, and I have the power to reject you if I don't see your credential. Your credential will signify that you are really a buyer. We don't deal CIF, cost, insurance, and freight only. Meaning to say you don't have cash flow. Gold is cash. So therefore, you need to have a standby $1 million in your bank account or $700,000 in your bank account. I can allow you to take 10 to 20 kilos, but we don't sell 1 kilos. It's not worth it for you to travel, and you wouldn't get the profit. So when you travel with me and you meet the criteria, yes, I do charge my extra service to assist you. Now you have two options, Mr. Buyer. 8% tax included. I will arrange everything for you, and I will monitor your movement while you are in Africa, either Mali, Conakry, or Sierra Leone. 8%. If there is an issue, I'm very far from you. It's better to pay extra service that I'm gonna be with you, and if there is an issue, I could find a backup. I could discuss it with the seller. So you are a winner. What is $20,000 if you get the profit per kilo of $10,000 per kilo? If 8%, you get $6,000 per kilo. Which one you like? Because I'm giving you a really good price because you're paying my extra service. If you don't pay my extra service, that is fine. I will arrange everything. You travel, but when you feel uncomfortable and then you call Wilhelmina, Wilhelmina is too far. I live in Brisbane, Australia. Okay? I cannot sort it out. But if I'm gonna be with you, I can sort it out. I'll tell you. I meet a lot of buyers and they go behind my back. They travel to Sierra Leone, they travel to Mali, they travel to Ghana and Conakry. So when they encounter disaster, they come back to Wilhelmina. I'm too far. I'll give you a guy from Germany and from Holland. I meet them in Dubai because I always stop over in Dubai. I stayed in Jibora. I stayed at Holiday Inn. This German, he opened a company in Dubai. He's just young and he wanted to make money because he said his business in Germany is no good. So he did register his company, and when he found me on YouTube and on Facebook, he went through, he kept on asking questions and he's sucking information from me. And he's also smart. I introduced him to the owner of the jewelry manufacturer. I should not do that. But I'm very kind and generous. So I introduced him. We have a very good dinner. And he's very smart German. But he didn't go nowhere. Because the owner of the jewelry factory, manufacturing company, he told me that this German is also very clever. This is business. There's a lot of shark buyer and also shark seller. Another guy from Netherlands, he met me in Jibora Hotel. And he also opened a company. And I asked this guy, why are you opening company in Dubai? And he said, you know, in Holland, that importation tax is very high, it's 20%. So he wanted to make money. That is fine. And he was sucking as well information from me. He flew to Sierra Leone. What happened? Disaster. And he said that, oh, there's a lot of scammer in Sierra Leone. Correct. There's a lot. And you are one of the scammer. This is what I told him. You are part of the scam because you were being offered $35,000 during the time. And the seller switched off the phone. Another guy from Dubai who went to Sierra Leone. Disaster again. Another American young guy traveled to Africa. Disaster, disaster, disaster. And then they come to Wilhelmina. I am not here to solve your problem. I'm not. How could I solve your problem? You didn't deal with Wilhelmina. You just come and search on YouTube and you found Wilhelmina and you ask for rescue. I'm not going to rescue you. You go to your lawyer's office. You're going to be charged their consultant fee. I am also charging you my fee. This is business. Yes. So those idiot buyers, excuse my language, they think that, oh, I saw Wilhelmina, I can get free. There is no free in this world. Nah. And then some joker broker, they open a website that is scam. He's also a scammer. This guy that opened a gold scam is from London. He attacked me. He's also a scammer. Why? I tried to call his Facebook, and he is from London, and he never pick up his call. My call. He's also part of the scam. He's a scammer. Because a scammer are scared to open his camera. Remember, Mr. Buyer, the meaning of scam means lie, deceive. If you don't open your camera, you're deceiving yourself because I'm not. I am here to guide you. I am here to facilitate in order to get the good price, in order to get proper gold. Now we have tons of gold. Which one you like? Conakry, Mali, or Sierra Leone? Sierra Leone, yes, you're gonna be scammed. Even in Mali, yes, you will be. Means scam means lying. The seller, they're gonna offer you undervalue. They will let you come, and then when you come, they will change. But you deal with us, you will not change because it states on the contract. Yeah, you will be given 14 days fixed price. There was a buyer that wanted tons of gold. We're giving him 4 months a leeway, not knowing he's using the contract. Yes, he's true buyer. He show his business registration, importation license, passport copy, and the certificate of money laundering. The problem with this buyer, he cannot show $80 million in his bank account. He doesn't have the $80 million. Huh? So he's using the contract. So I've given him a really good privilege because I bargained to my head office in Conakry. Okay? And he asked another extension for a month and we refused it. He was given 4 months. So when I found out he's going to leverage, he's using the contract in order to find an investor for him. And I told this buyer, we cannot do that. I thought you have a standby fund. He doesn't have $80 million. He doesn't have $75 million. He doesn't have $60 million. He has a piece of paper, and I told him, my head office rejected your extension. Yeah? You should be honest in the beginning. You should say, Wilhelmina, I am going to find an investor. So the investor will invest into his company in order to get the gold. It wouldn't work at all. Whoever you are watching me, you should not deceive yourself. You shouldn't. You need to have a capital. So I rejected him. 4 months or 5 months is too much according to my head office. This buyer has no money. This buyer from Dubai, okay, he's buying 10 kilos. He showed it to me. Everything. He paid my services already, huh? He did. I'm waiting for him to meet him in Dubai at any time. That is a real buyer. You walk into the solicitor's office, consultation alone, you're going to be charged. My lawyer, when I call my lawyer, they're going to send me an invoice over the phone. $250. Consultation fee. You are paying my consultation as well. This is live. Knowledge is worth $1 million, Mr. Buyer. You're giving more than $1 million of knowledge. I only charge you extra to assist you. $20,000. End of this year, I'm going to charge everyone of $25,000. Why? When the price of gold is high, of course, my extra service is high. Airline ticket is not cheap. Hotel accommodation is not cheap. The food is not cheap. And my per dime, my expenses is not cheap. In Africa, it's not cheap. There is no cheap here in this world. Gold is no longer cheap. Remember 4 years ago, I announced on my video that there would be an anticipation in 2025. The gold will turn to 3,000 per ounce, which is, I was right. Almost, almost 3,000 per ounce. Why the world is on panic? Why the central bank is on panic? They cannot supply their own customer. Mr. Buyer, we are here to supply your needs. We're not selling refined here. We're selling unrefined. You must remember, the refined is 94,842. The gold is fluctuate. The price of gold changes every half an hour. Okay? A while ago, the price was 2,950. Now the price is 2,949.81. So don't bank on it. So today is Thursday. Tomorrow is the last banking on a stock exchange. Maybe tonight, because we have a different time zone. Here is the 9:40 in the evening. In your end is the morning. You never know. Tomorrow, before the end of the day, the price might be 95 because it's already 94,838.52. Go on Kitco. You can see the live performance of gold price. You watch on a stock exchange. The price of gold is keep on changing and changing. Why America is now on panic? America is in trouble. They're buying gold now, but when you bring gold to United States, the tariff is too high. That is why the wise trader, wise company, they open their company in Dubai because there is no tariff. Dubai is enjoying where the gold coming from, where the gold soup coming from, Africa. 98% gold coming from Africa. There is no gold in Dubai. It's desert. Now they use Dubai as a hub. They buy the refined gold, unrefined gold, and then they're gonna distribute around the world. That is not our business. Our business, we have the gold, you refine it, that is your business. You're gonna ask, well, Amina, who is your seller? You will receive the credential of the seller when you convince Walamina. Yes? You will receive mining license, export license, and the company profile. I'm not going to release my seller's credential because in the past, our information was being floated around from broker to broker, solicitation, sanitizing. We don't allow no more. I will be the one to decide which seller I'm going to bring you. Either I'm going to take you to Mali, tons of gold. Either I'm going to take you to Conakry or Sierra Leone. But you need Wilhelmina. Do not travel without proper preparation. Do not. If you have limited cash, keep it to yourself so that you will not lose money. And if you're asking CIF, forget about it. You have a short of cash flow. You can only afford to pay the shipping cost and insurance. How about paying the gold? Your money has no value. Used to be dollars is a king. Today, gold is a king. He who has the gold makes the rules. The country is making the rules. You have to follow the golden rules. You have the money, we have the gold. Do not say that, oh, we don't have to pay upfront. There is no upfront here. You have to pay bank to bank. There is no upfront. You cannot get this precious mineral without payment. And if someone offer you pay taxes, go for it. At the end of the day, you are going to into disaster. Why? They will trap you. We don't trap you. I am telling you, you're lucky to find this video. Yeah, you're lucky that you're watching Wilhelmina. I am here to guide you. We have tons of gold, but you wouldn't get the gold from us unless you prove it that you are really a buyer. Now, we don't deal black fund here. We don't deal guarantee, bank guarantee. The bank will guarantee you because you have an asset to support. Gold is an asset. Gold is the world asset. The bank will not release the money unless the bank say the gold. Gold is money. You don't have the money because you are asking, is BLC, you're asking LC. You are asking guarantee. The bank will guarantee you when you show the bank that you have substantial asset. Gold is an asset. So I hope you understand here. I'm giving you the parable in business. Impossible. You wouldn't understand. Impossible. If you went to school, I'm sure you can comprehend. You're a businessman. You should understand that you are buying money. Yeah. You don't need to be offended with Wilhelmina. Wilhelmina is very, very frank because I need to educate everyone. I need you to learn that this gold business is a profitable business. Why Central Bank is buying gold? Why this Australian mining company positioning their mining in Africa? Why this Canadian? Why this Chinese are everywhere? The hotel I'm staying in Africa owned by Chinese. Nom Hotel owned by Congolese millionaire. Why Indians are everywhere? Why Italian are everywhere? Why Russian open their refinery in Mali? Why? Because there is business. Yes. Why Russian is in Conakry? They're buying bauxite. Why Chinese are in Conakry? They're buying bauxite. Bring it to China and then refine to make steel. Building. Where that materials coming from? Africa. You go to Burkina Faso, you cannot get the gold Burkina Faso. Now Burkina Faso, they open their own refinery. You can buy gold in Burkina Faso. The price is whatever the world market price. Yeah, you can buy in Burkina Faso. Bank to bank. You must be a big company because you would never get gold in Burkina Faso. Never. What's on YouTube on Burkina Faso? They own the refinery now. They can supply the bank, the World Bank. They can supply money first before the gold arrive in their destination. Exactly the same. Money first, pay the gold, bank to bank. There is no upfront. If you feel confused of my explanation, come and have a conference with me. Because I'm going to interrogate you. You don't need to be scared of my interrogation. Because this is for you so that you will not lose money. I'm telling you, if you are not very careful dealing in Africa, yes, you will lose money. Guaranteed 1,000,000%. Guaranteed. Look at this royal family. I think 3 years ago, they lost $24 million in Nairobi. The gold coming from Congo. When I watched this video, they were being offered $27,000 during the time. So what happened? The royal family demanded that the gold must be delivered in Dubai. When they opened the box, it was rock. Search on YouTube. You will see royal family was being scammed big time in Nairobi. Where the gold coming from? Congo is smuggled into Nairobi. My seller owned the mine. He would not smuggle it. My head office have the gold. They produce direct from their mine. They are a private company. They produce gold, they produce bauxite and diamond. I have a video presentation on my platform on Facebook and YouTube. Find it. You will see. You would never find this kind of information. Those joker broker hates my guts. They are scammer. They are liars. The meaning of scam means lied. I don't lie. I'm telling the truth. If you have a bad experience in the past, I have also bad experience in the past. I was being screwed in Ghana. I was being cheated in Ghana as well. Now I learn from my mistake. You, Mr. Buyer, I know you have a bad experience. So let us learn from our bad experience. When you have a bad experience, you will rectify your mistake. I have a bad experience. I was invited in Ghana. I was hired by the seller called Orom. Okay? I was being screwed by the Mexican and the seller. So I learned a lot. But I will never touch Ghana. Gold in Ghana is short supply. Why 14 refinery in Ghana? Because there is business. Where the gold coming from? Smuggled from Cameroon, smuggled from Liberia, smuggled from Congo. That is not our business. Our business is we have the gold. Let's do this in a nice way so that you will get the gold for long term. You need to establish your business relationship with us, Mr. Buyer. I will take you to Conakry. I will take you to Mali. I will take you to Sierra Leone, but you need Wilhelmina. I cannot let you travel without me. Why? 100% guaranteed you're gonna have a problem. Guaranteed. I've been to Africa. My transaction has been successful, you must remember. We don't sell 1 kilo no more. We don't sell 5 kilos anymore. Used to be we accept 2 kilos, 3 kilos, not anymore. The instructions of my seller, Wilhelmina, because the short supply, we don't sell a small quantity. Minimum, at least 20 or maybe 10 kilos. According to my head office, okay, Wilhelmina, I will give you the power to reduce it. To start 10 kilos, they can. But you need to ship it. Don't hand carry it. Why? There was a buyer from Paris. I think I mentioned that on my YouTube. We issued the landing visa for him. And he has also landing visa in Mali. So he traveled to Mali without telling me. So this buyer, he's also a liar. So what happened? He went to Mali and they hand carried the gold. So if you're gonna be in Mali, you're gonna stop over in Ghana airport. Okay? As a transit. So they hand carry together with the seller. So when the buyer was telling me that the gold 20 kilos with the seller, so he didn't pay the gold. Why the seller accompany him? So this buyer didn't pay the gold. Okay? He was given CIF bound to Dubai. Now when he arrived in Ghana airport, he sent me a text. This guy from Paris. That his gold has been seized in Ghana airport. So I asked this buyer, why your gold was been seized? Lack of export documentation. So when your luggage must be rechecked into the machine, X-ray machine, because you are only transit, right? So when you about to board the plane, your everything has to be checked on the X-ray machine. Custom found out that there was precious metal. So the custom asked the buyer and the seller, where are all the export documentation? There was a missing of export documentation. So the seller was not aware. The seller was with the buyer. Huh? They fly together to Dubai. So therefore, the buyer didn't pay in full. And the seller didn't give the buyer full export documentation. So the buyer and the seller get out from the airport in Ghana. So this buyer spent another $60,000. What happened? He lost money. Now he called me, okay, to help him. I said, no, I cannot help you. You betrayed yourself. You lied to me. So, madam, I want to deal with you. I want to apply to Conakry. I said, no, I cannot. I cannot help you. Because in the beginning, you lied to me. I don't want to deal with the buyer that who is going to lie. He's a scammer. He's deceitful. He owned a business in Paris. Huh? He called me last week. And now he keep on sending me messages he want gold. My seller refused it because we issued the landing visa. And why he went to Mali? I have the seller in Mali. I told him, I've been to Mali. Mali is strict as well. So, Mr. Buyer, if you're watching this video, try to take time to listen to this video from the beginning to the end. Subscribe, and click below. Read the full corporate offer. It says IPCO. Read it paragraph by paragraph. Don't come until you comprehend. If you meet the criteria, then you come. If you don't meet the criteria, at least you're aware on how to secure gold. Okay? Don't leave a message on my platform on YouTube. Just get my number, come and talk to Wilhelmina, having a conference, because I'm going to interview you live. How did you get my number? You're going to say, oh, Wilhelmina, I saw you on YouTube and on your Facebook. So therefore, you comprehend. The procedure, I expand it in order for everyone to understand. I'm not supposed to expand it, but I feel sorry for everyone. Because in the past, there was a lot of mistake. There was a lot of buyer lost money called scam, scam, scam. Why the buyer lost money? It's also a scammer. Why? The meaning of scam means you deceive yourself. You are looking for cheap price. Gold is not cheap. You cheat yourself, and the seller also will cheat you. Vice versa. Your both buyers and sellers is cheating. Today you will not be cheated if I'm gonna be on the ground. I'm telling you. If you don't let Wilhelmina come with you, guaranteed 1,000,000%. You are going to lose money. 100%. Okay? Thank you very much. And I hope I will see you on conference, live video call. If you're from Dubai, download Botim. I want to see you. I want to meet you in Dubai after you convince Wilhelmina. Thank you very much. Have a pleasant good evening once again. Regardless the world market price, we give you less 8%. If you convince Wilhelmina, we will discuss this on a private conversation on how I'm gonna give you a really good price. Thank you.